Hey there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Nigerian singer Davido said to be the best man of his driver who's getting married. Let's check out details. David Adeleke, popularly known as Davido, has just announced that he will be playing the best man role for his driver during his wedding. He made this known using his official Twitter handle today. Davido tweeted, "My driver is getting married and I am his best man." In less than 10 minutes, the tweet had gone viral, and yes, in case you're wondering why, Davido is said to be the best man for his driver who is getting married. The best man is the chief assistant to the groom at a wedding and alongside the maid of honor. This is the third most important role in attendance at a wedding apart from the bride and the groom. People often say that Davido is kind, and they also comment on the fact that he loves to see his team win. Here are some of the reactions we got concerning this tweet. At Oyinda Mola on Twitter said, "If you promise to be my best man too, I will find someone and get married next month, bro." Oshoba Lanri says, "It will sure prove his prideness everywhere. Who know your driver? Must you announce the person doing wedding as your driver? Some words hurt. Get sense, boy." At Mafia 10114 says, "Everybody in OBO's team winning everywhere. Love to see it." Smiling face with a heart-shaped eyes, red heart. Comedian Danny Boy says, "Mado, OBO duel. This the man we stand, baddest." Chima_Ime wrote, "Even when no one is getting married, Seth, you are the best man. Congratulations to the groom and the bride." Views09 wrote, "Your driver is so lucky. Bless you, OBO. Red heart, palms up together." John Faith 673 says, "Oh, this guy is down to earth, I beg." At Kofi30BG wrote, "Davido, please, I can cook and share food too. Please invite me," loudly crying face. Oladamola wrote, "Boss, your driver supposed to honeymoon. Within that time, you go need interim driver." _Valkin finally says, "Since your driver is married now, you need another single driver. Please pick me up." Well, hilarious comments coming in on Twitter. Let's know what you think about this story. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.